Good morning, everybody. We are doing something completely different today. All right, down south in Lake Idaho. And today we're gonna target peacock bass, clown knife fish, pretty much anything that eats. I'm not gonna fake it. I don't really know what I'm doing. So we're gonna learn together today. But I have done my research. I always do my research before I come out. And we got rods with the frog. We got the paddle tail on there. We got the small runt rod. We got the crappie jigs, okay? Little finesse fish. And then I picked up, I already lost the eye, isn't that stupid? That's an expensive jig head too. I picked up this little shiner looking bait. It's, I think it was 3 1/4 inches. That bait I really think is gonna be a killer. But we'll see if the peacock are up in the shallows. If not, and they're sitting down a little deep, that's okay too. I really want to just focus on peacock bass. Grew up bass fishing up north, you know, for largemouth, you know, and then this is like the bigger, badder cousin, you know, the more aggressive one. And if we do start slamming peacocks, we're definitely going to try and get a few bullseye snakehead. All right, guys, so that little finesse jig wasn't really working out too well. There are some guys behind me. They got something. It looked like it was a largemouth bass. But we're switching up. We're going with the SLX. We got the frog on. Okay, got this little frog. Okay, hooks up at the top. There's a lot of weeds here. I scared some fish up there. Pretty sure it's tilapia, but I just don't want to miss that chance for a bullseye snakehead. So we're gonna fish this grassy shoreline area, fish it all the way up past these docks, and then this grass kind of clears out, and then we'll go back to the finesse jigging. But for right now, I'm gonna try and get up in this grass and see what we can get. Got him. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. Oh, that was awesome. Oh my God. Wow. Man, there was like 3 of them right there too. Guys, this is a nice one. First fish, first peacock ever. Look at this one. Oh my God, that was insane. That eat was crazy. I don't know if I had the camera turned that way. Look how clean the water is too, guys. I mean, I'm in like 17 feet, but I can see 10, 12 feet down. Look at that beautiful fish. That's the male too. That's the male right there. Oh my God. Look at that fish. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fish. My God. That is unreal. Let me get this fish out of the net. Oh man. Guys, look at that fish. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, it's got a little deformation in the back. Guys, I did release that fish. I was gonna do a catch, clean, cook. Then I kind of looked it up. I know a lot of people eat them. Maybe if I get a smaller one. That was an older fish. Guys, that duck only has, oh, never mind. There's his other leg. I thought he only had one leg. Oh, nothing to see here. You gotta crouch down just to get through. Guys, there's a lot of good current right here. I'm gonna fish this area for sure, and there's a ton of bait. So, I might do pretty good here. Smoked it. Man, it's that little hook. I set the hook too hard. Scared that one. Guys, this is awesome. This is just like straight current coming down. Like, I got the trolling motor pumped up pretty good. So it's like a bunch of rocks down here. I mean, the water's pretty clear. But there's all kinds of fish in here, like bait fish and stuff like that. So I know there's gonna be a decent sized fish in here. The coolest thing is you don't know what you can catch. They even have they have hybrids in here, like hybrid striper. They call them sun bass. So they're in here as well. So I don't know, this current is pretty hefty. We got a lot of eddies, a lot of hideouts along the bank. So we're gonna work our way up. It gets pretty skinny up here. And keep fishing. We're gonna go all the way up, maybe even to Lake Osborne. Ooh. That was insane. He followed it like 5-6 feet off the shoreline. God, that's the third one I've missed. I gotta stop missing it. See if he comes back for it. It's because I'm reeling down current and they're hitting it, and I have to pick up that slack when I'm setting that hook. Dang. Well guys, the boat just came through, so I don't know what that's gonna do for us, but I figure that these fish are probably pretty used to it. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. We'll keep trying it. There we go. Little bass. Little tiny dude. Oh, sorry, brother. Oh, there's one. So what we got? Little, tiny, baby peacock. Look at that little thing. Oh man, he tore my thing up again. Little baby. God. That was absolutely sick. That was insane. That peacock came all the way out to get that thing. Oh my goodness. Look, there's 3 more with it. Oh man, spot lock this. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Man, when they get all lit up. Yeah, look, there's 3 more. Oh my God, that fish wanted it so bad. Come on, brother. Come on. Got him. Guys, that is a fat fish right there. Look at that. Beautiful, healthy, fat fish. We got that blue and that dorsal. Wow, just a predator, let me tell you. I mean, smoked it. It's way harder than a largemouth. They absolutely crushed the bait when they won it. I mean, I'm surprised this little tiny hook is holding up. Let's get a measurement on this one. Let's see. This one's 18 inches as well. That's a big one. Those are 2 nice fillets right there, but yeah, we're gonna let this one go as well. Wow, awesome. Real quick, guys, the baits that I'm using, you can see that sparkle in there. I don't know how to catch, or Keitech. The Easy Shiner 3-inch electric shad. So you get 10 of them, but I will say each fish has tore it up. So, I mean, if you're coming out here and you're doing this, or you're doing like largemouth bass fishing, buy 2 packs because you're gonna need it. Every single fish I've caught has tore it up to where you can't use it again. So just keep that in mind. And then that's that. This is an 1/8 ounce jig head from XPS. It's the Bass Pro brand, I'm pretty sure, or whatever. Okay, so I am learning something. The more that I come back in these little tiny canals where it's like all residential, you got a park right here, you know, there's a shoreline. I'm not getting anything. I'm not even seeing like bait fish or anything like that. I don't know if this water is just a little cold. I can actually feel the temp. All right, so it is a little cold. It's a little chilly. I don't know if it's because of that, but all the fish have come from basically the main channel, you know? So where all these lakes intertwine through one big channel, that's kind of where I'm getting all my bites, where the current, and also with the current. So maybe it has to do something with the oxygen, but I know that usually in the summertime, that's what matters. But we're gonna go back. We were trying the frog for snakehead. I just don't think it's gonna happen. Maybe, I mean, we'll keep trying it other places, but I'm gonna go back to the little swimmer deal and try to get some more peacocks. Oh, that was sick. Largie followed that thing all the way up. That was crazy. Well, they don't even fight nearly as hard. No, they're just flopping around. The peacocks are where it's at. Oh, let's see if he tore the bait up. Hopefully not. That's a nice healthy one though. Look at that, huh? It's not a bad one. Alright guys, so it's been a while since that last fish. What time is it now? It is 12:30. So putting in a lot of time. Still throwing that little swim bait. We are back where we caught the first fish, and then I'm gonna work that shoreline down to Lake Ida, and then I might head south. Not too sure. Might head west, I don't know. But we're gonna see. We're gonna fish these docks all the way down, and hopefully we pick up a few. Little bass. All right, guys. We got the boat in some of the skinniest water I think it's ever been in. Look at this luscious grass too, right? So we are way back in some creeks and we're gonna throw the frog. We are now targeting, look at these fish. There's fish jumping. I mean, they could be tilapia and stuff, but we are now targeting snakehead. So we're gonna be making long casts with this frog up on the bank, bringing it back, kind of ripping it a little fast, you know, each side. And we're gonna work all the way down and see if we can't get one. If we do get one, it's coming home. It is coming home for sure. So let's get casting. I feel like it's gonna be the fish of 1,000 casts. Hooked on reeling.
What?
Hooked on reeling. Ooh, buddy. There we go. Finally a fish, and that is a fat one too. My goodness. Oh. Little bass. Okay, maybe they're gonna start back up again. I don't know how many miles I drove in the boat, but it was a lot. I will say that. It's been an adventure for sure, but I did learn a lot. You know, I kind of figured out where they are, what they like. This is current with that grass. I mean, they're all over it. They're all up in it. I mean, there's tilapia here. There's all kinds of stuff here. So I think this is going to be the golden ticket for the rest of the day right here. Yeah. Tiny little dude. Little bass again. It's alright. It's 2 fish in like 5 minutes. Something. It's something. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you stuck through the whole video, appreciate that. I know it wasn't the best video in the world, but we did get 2 nice sized peacocks. One 18.5, one 18, and then 2 small ones. A couple largemouth bass. You know, I lost a few fish that were striking. Look at this, it's crazy, isn't it? Like the bridge. I mean, you gotta, these bolts, they're almost hit your head, so just pay attention when you're going under. But yeah, I mean, I threw everything. I mean, I fished miles and miles. I mean, I got my 2, so I don't know if that's a good day. Not too familiar with how many peacocks people usually catch, but it is also the winter months, so I don't know, give or take. I felt like it did pretty good for the first time, not knowing what lures to use, not having live bait, you know, and just kind of fishing around. Definitely gonna try it in the summertime when the big peacocks are super active. There's lily pads everywhere. Definitely gonna try that and give it another go. But caught every single fish actually. Yeah, I did catch every fish on that that little Peacock paddle tail. So I don't know if that helps you guys out. If you want to come down here and try it, just get into this waterway, this river system. I mean, anywhere really, and fish it up, try and catch them. But that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna go and try to catch some flounder. So we're gonna switch it up. I'm about done with the fresh water. We're gonna switch it back to the salt, try and get some flounder, some black drum, things like that. So stay tuned for that next video, and we'll see you all out there.